Ccleaner has just released version 5.46, which addresses some of the controversy that arose over their last release. Let's go over what's been addressed in Options under Privacy. If you uncheck the Help Improve Ccleaner by sending anonymous usage data, none of the information gathered by Ccleaner will be passed along. This data has always been fully anonymized, but if you'd like nothing to be passed along outside of what version of Windows you're using and some of the stuff that it needs in order to do the cleaning that you expect it to do, nothing else gets passed along. So let's uncheck that box, and that takes care of sending along anonymous usage data. Also, if you don't want Ccleaner to run in the background, then go into Smart Cleaning, and under Smart Cleaning, uncheck the box that says tell me when there are junk files to clean, and uncheck Enable Smart Cleaning. Say yes. Now Ccleaner will not run in the background. When you want it to do its job, start it on your own and run it. That should take care of any little quirks that you may have found in the last version, and this puts Ccleaner back to being Ccleaner. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.